Hi guys, so I've been wanting to do a follow-up video to my review of the Robinson A5, and I wanted to have a sort of post running in session check, which is what I do to a lot of my locos to make sure there's lubricant and things. She's running lovely, current's dropped, the motor's not really getting warm anymore. Even with the 5 coaches she's only drawing about 90 milliamps, so that's good. But nonetheless, let's see if we can open her up, how easy it is to do, and see if there's anything that needs our attention inside. Hopefully not, but if it does, we'll do it. Now, you're going to have to forgive me, I've come down with COVID and it's really hit me. So you're going to have to put up with text prompts instead of my voice croaking on. I hope that's okay. Cheers. Close the buffers, the back of the buffers hit the chassis, so when you're undoing it, lift the back first, pull the buffers forward, but don't pull them out of the sockets, just pull them forward enough to release it. I can't shut up, can I? So there's your levering point there between the chassis. You're going to have to watch these sandpipes, just tweak them, they're attached to the body, just pull them back each side. You see that this one, for example, this one's still over the tread and that's going to bend it, so just move him to the side. Same for that one there. You see what I mean? See how he's over the tread? So if you move him to the outside edge, the wheels will be able to come up then without ripping the pipes off. So it looks like it's ready to release. Not too much trouble, we should just be able to lift by the wheels now. Yeah, can't do that one-handed. Let's take it off and see what happens. And we can do the back of the motor. That feels quite loose. You also see the pickups now. They're right up. They're on the backs of the wheels, but they're at the back, at the top. Let's go ahead and see what's in the gear. But there is a hint of lube around the end of the bearing there, which is a good sign. Didn't think it wasn't because it runs too good, but we're just checking. Back motor bearing has a little bit of lube on, so we don't need to do that.